Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, backup, add account. Of course you'll need internet connection to do this. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next, then you have to enter your password, tap next, then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and at last tap turn on, and after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.